A reputed gangster who the police claim was implicated in the killing and video recording burial of a pair of siblings in Westmoreland is one of two men who were killed in a run-and-gun battle with the police in St. Catherine on Thursday, sources have disclosed. He has been identified as Gang Bang, who police sources claim was a prolific contract killer. The name of the other man has not yet been released by the police. The gun battle started in Spanish Town and ended in Greater Portmore. 2 illegal guns were reportedly seized at the scene, police sources disclosed. The operation was driven by intelligence and carried out by counter-terrorism and organized crime branch of the police force. Kerrick Moody, 20, and his sister Kenisha Moody, 22, were identified by their mother after a video that went viral on social media last December showed them being buried in a shallow grave. They were reported missing days after they were seen at a fast food restaurant where they had gone to drop off a package containing $10,000 for their mother. It's suspected that they were killed over a dispute involving money from lottery scam. The Clarendon police are reporting the discovery of 12 guns and more than a dozen imitation weapons on the Denby Showground property in the parish Friday morning. Commander Superintendent Carlos Russell says 3 men are in custody. More details to come. Former Member of Parliament for St. Mary Western, Joylyn Silvera, has been charged with the murder of his wife, Melissa. Detectives assigned to the Police Major Investigation Division laid charges today after a third string of questions. 30-year-old Upley Ebanks, a tire repairman of Bottom Road in Orange St. James, was charged with murder following the death of a man at a football field in the parish on Sunday, January 14. The deceased has been identified as 40-year-old Santino Plummer, a laborer of Lilliput, St. James. Reported at about 11:30 p.m., Plummer went to the area to conduct a business transaction, during which an argument developed with a woman and Ebanks intervened. The quarrel between the two men became physical, and it is alleged that Ebanks used a stone to strike Plummer. The police were alerted, and on arrival, the deceased man was seen lying face down in a pool of blood with an injury to the head. Plummer, who was also seen running from the scene, was chased and held by the police. He was taken into custody where he was charged following a question and answer session. His court date is being finalized.